Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your Instagram stories from specific people. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If there are a few people you don't want to be able to see your story, but still want them as a normal follower on Instagram, here is how to do it. On your Instagram profile page, tap the Create New Story button from the top left. On the camera screen, tap the Settings icon from the top left of the page. Now select Story. Tap Hide Story From. You can now search for people and tap them to add them to the list of people to hide your stories from. Tap Done from the top right once you're finished. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.